Okay, guys.
Welcome to the land of the
So, it's usted season, kaya may mga tent-ish dyan. And it's night, as you can see. Ay, teka. Nadidiliman yung mukha ko. Anyway, so, hey guys. We are back. I mean, yung dalawa. kulang ng ibang people dun sa Barkada. We are back kasi we will do a... busy siya. We will do a 300 peso challenge. So, hahanap kami ng food around UST. Napagkakasya namin yung 300 pesos namin. Tapos yung props, 300 pesos.
500 lang.
As rich people. Walang barya, pero yeah, dapat 300. Ano ba naman tong shadow? Yun. Ay, si Judy yung...
sa akin yun.
Ayan. So, ayun. Let's go! Okay, so nasa loob pa kami. Tour.
Oh,
School tour! So,
tour.
so for Jill, she's always here naman. So, si Jill... Hindi, I mean, kasi, di ba, ako, medyo madalas din ako dito.
Bubbles, hindi ko si
And si Judy, she hasn't been here for years.
Mula 2018.
Yeah, so, since graduation, ito na yung bumalik siya ulit. Ano ba? Hindi ko makontrol si sentence. Anyway, so yun. Wait, flip ko na kasi nga school tour, pero kami lang yung nakikita. Ayun, di ba? Kasi it's usted season, so meron doon. And then, the famous UST letters plus the tiger. Where you put your coins for wishes. What?
Where?
Sa mouth.
No. May ganon?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! Kinukuha eh. So yun. So, usually, ang gawa nila, if you're like an usted taker, you'd put coins in the mouth of the tiger for well wishes. So, ayan. Congrats! Yan ang, nakalabas na ng arch. Ay. Ayan si ate girl. Ay, bakit ka pumapost? Hindi siya picture. Ah, okay. Normal yun, normal. Ano yung U? U4. Ayan, pumosing. Kaya mo na yan. Post mo na lang to. Para meron ka. Serious ba? O sige na, picturean ko na kayo. Wait, o sige, go. Kayo yung bumilis, diba? Posing kayo ng maayos. Okay. So, nakita nyo pa yung nag-away kami. So, ito yung car park. Yung health service. Andun yung... Ano yun? Hospital. We're about to cross. Ayan, may car. Hi po. Car park ulit. So, yung... Ay, sabi ko, di ba dun tayo sa Lover's Lane? Ba't tayo tumawid?
Ewan ko pa sa'yo.
Aywan ko din! Okay, we're going back because we forgot that we're supposed to walk in the Lover's Lane. So yeah, we are entering Lover's Lane. Or ano totoong name nito? Benavides Garden?
Garden ba?
Oh. I mean, it has trees and lands. So yun, may tatlong lanes kasi dito. Like yung gitna, syempre nandun siya. Yun yung parang straight to the arc. Tapos may dalawang pathwalks din each side. So yun, greeneries. Pag stress ka na, dito ka na lang muna. Sila din yung ipapadrawing sa'yo sa sipad. Diba? Get yourself familiarized. We have a lot of bench naman dito sa pathwalk. Medyo madilim lang sa ibang part, malamok. Okay, so that's the back of the Art of the Centuries. Woo! Siyempre, hindi kami dadaan dyan.
Pwede naman ako yung dumaan.
I mean, baka maisipan namin mag-grad school eh, di ba?
Wow!
Oh!
Ano ba yan?
And then, one of the fountains, Okay, so naka-off siya. Pero, yung details yung pinadrawing yan sa amin before.
Yeah. Anong tawag dyan? Basta, naalala. Hindi naman kanto.
Hindi. Yung may tongue.
Lick it up.
Hindi. Ano Pokemon? Basta yan, diba? Maganda siya pag may light and if it's working. Tapos, ito. So we're actually going to the one dun sa food court nila. So tatawid kami dito. Wait, open ba? Open man ata. Tatawid kami dito sa may overpass here.
A few moments later.
So first we're at Callie Worldwide here at can choose which sauce to put in our fried noodles. So for me, I chose the cheese sauce. Oops, forgive the mess. The others chose to put either teriyaki or peanut sauce. And then we also got the kimchi rice with pork katsu. That's for sharing. Fried noodles with shark's fin for each of us. Next up, so for our dessert, we decided to get famous Belgian waffles. So for sharing again. And we got the French butter caramel. Anak smile. Ayan.
20 minutes later.
Just a little segue, since at the second floor, there's this new photo booth. We decided to, take these memories to print. And yeah. Okay, picture. Picture ka na di gumalaw. Okay, this is actually not included in the 300 budget per person. So don't add this to our total at the end.
Many minutes later.
For our last stop, we went to the Funhan Mart, which is just along España. We decided to do a DIY drink, so we each got a different flavor. Then some ice cream to top it off. And yes, that's our finished drinks. Okay, so in total, this is what we've actually spent on for our mini USD food trip. So I hope it helps if ever you're planning on going on a food trip in USD. But yeah, let's explore more in the future. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that bell button right there. See you guys again next time. Ciao!